It's been so hot. But today, this morning, it's about 86 degrees out, so I thought I would get out and walk up to this restaurant called Flores Café. About 5-6 minutes from my house. I thought I would come up here and get me a little breakfast, do something a little different today. All right. I think it was because I went out Tuesday. I went downtown to Central and had breakfast with Velma at Marmalade. And it's like, okay, get out and do more and see what Merida has to offer instead of letting the heat give you a lot of fear and not wanting to come outside. So we are outside this morning at Flores Café, and we're going to have us a little breakfast, all right? I'm always surprised to find little hidden gems in my neighborhood of Garcia Generes, such as this place, Flores Café. I never knew that it was here until I had an opportunity to look on the map to find a breakfast place, someplace close. This place was only about a 6-minute walk through the colonial neighborhood of Garcia Generes. It's a lovely, lovely restaurant, very eclectic, with arts and different placements of different things within the restaurant itself. So I thoroughly enjoyed my visit. I ordered eggs, medium, some bacon and a pancake, and some black bean salsa on the side with a mango drink. It was delicious. Because this was my first time at this restaurant, I was really curious about all of the plants and the art on the wall. So I got up and walked through the restaurant just to get a closer look. It wasn't quite as packed this morning as the hostess said it usually is, but it was just enough people to make it comfortable. It looked like it was an old mansion that was converted into a restaurant. Well received by other patrons who seem to be regulars. This was absolutely a wonderful place to come and have breakfast right here in the neighborhood. I've never been here before, but I will be back. The breakfast was good, the service was excellent, and they've got jazz playing in the background, so it made for a really, really a nice breakfast, nice atmosphere. Today's breakfast cost 175 pesos. Converted to US, that is $9.07. Well worth it. As I exited the restaurant, I couldn't help but notice all the pink, the flowers, the umbrellas, the chairs. It was a very, very nice restaurant. I enjoyed every minute. Garcia Gineres is a lovely colonial neighborhood, and you never know what you might find hidden in an old mansion like this lovely restaurant, Flores Café.